I am Senthil Kumar. I am the Managing Director of Access Power Care Systems. We are situated in Boinpalli, Hyderabad. We are the manufacturers of Access UPS. Apart from Access UPS, we also deal with branded MNC UPS of APC, American Power Conversion, Eaton, Socomac, Delta, Hitachi Hyrel, and Toshiba Mitsubishi. Toshiba Mitsubishi is the industrial UPS which is used for the higher end applications up till 800 kVA. In the batteries, we deal with Exide batteries, Amar Raja, and HBL batteries. Apart from the UPS and batteries, we also deal with servo stabilizers, constant voltage transformers, and isolation transformer. Isolation transformer is ensured to give earth to neutral voltage as 0 volts.